What health problems does regular exercise help prevent? Heart disease and stroke. Daily physical activity can help prevent heart disease and stroke by strengthening your heart muscle, lowering your blood pressure, raising your high-density lipoprotein (HDL) levels, good cholesterol, and lowering low-density lipoprotein (LDL) levels, bad cholesterol, improving blood flow, and increasing your heart's working capacity. High blood pressure. Regular physical activity can reduce blood pressure in those with high blood pressure levels. Non-insulin-dependent diabetes. By reducing body fat, physical activity can help to prevent and control this type of diabetes. Obesity. Physical activity helps to reduce body fat by building or preserving muscle mass and improving the body's ability to use calories. Back pain. By increasing muscle strength and endurance and improving flexibility and posture, regular exercise helps to prevent back pain. Osteoporosis. Regular weight-bearing exercise promotes bone formation and may prevent many forms of bone loss associated with aging. Self-esteem and stress management. Studies on the psychological effects of exercise have found that regular physical activity can improve your mood and the way you feel about yourself. Disability. Running and aerobic exercise have been shown to postpone the development of disability in older adults. Keep these health benefits in mind when deciding whether or not to exercise. Learn more by clicking link in description https://bit.ly/2vouch.